Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Cellularline FLICK. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turn on. So open control panel and turn on the Bluetooth if it's turn off. Now, your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically, but there is a problem for iOS devices that we need to reconnect them manually. So if you have iPhone, go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds here. But it happened with all Bluetooth devices sometimes, so you can also try to do this on your Android device. Just enter to the Bluetooth and tap at your earbuds. Next step, if this didn't help you, we need to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. Then open it and your earbuds, remove your earbuds from the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone automatically. And as I said previously, sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so then tap at your earbuds at the device list. Right now my earbuds just turn off, right? Okay, let's do the soft reset again. Okay. Next, if the soft reset didn't help you, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly you need to find touch area, what located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top. You need to press 6 times at your right earbud, and then you will see the red LED light right here. If you not see them, meaning that you do something bad, and you need to press 6 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do we have the red LED light? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Next, we need to reconnect these earbuds with the phone. So open settings, go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Also, put your earbuds to the charging case. Now let's remove them, so forget the device. Or you may have forget device button or unpair button or maybe remove button, and then forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Then open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. We know it by the LED light what flashing blue and red. Then tap at your earbuds here and we just reconnect them. Now check if the factory reset didn't help you. I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general line. Scroll down, right here at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click reset. In this window we need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap on it, write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. Then we need to go to the system. Scroll down, click at the system, and right here at the bottom, at Listen Stock Android, we have reset options. So let's scroll down, click at the reset options. Right here you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!